I'm Senator Sherrod Brown, standing in front of the F-16 in Toledo at the 180th, and this is your Buckeye Guard.
This summer, Ohio National Guard members deployed to support residents in the greater Toledo area in response to a state of emergency declared by Governor John Kasich. A harmful algae bloom affected the Toledo public water system, and city officials issued a do not drink notice, which affected about 400,000 people in and around Ohio's fourth largest city. Soldiers and airmen from the Ohio National Guard's 371st Task Force delivered water purification systems, pallets of bottled water, and military meals ready to eat to the residents of the Toledo area who found themselves in need during the outage. The National Guard's Air Defense Artillery battalions conduct missions in defense of our nation's capital region, protecting the airspace above Washington, D.C. Members of Ohio's 1st Battalion 174th ADA prepared for this mission during their annual training period this summer.
What we accomplished during this AT was the picture recognition, the plane recognition. They have to know the planes. The second thing is the general knowledge, and the general knowledge ties into the Avenger system itself. They have to know all components of the Avenger system to actually to know what they're doing and how they're going to emplace that. And the third thing is their crew drills. How they go about doing it, the missile upload, the download, the march order emplacement. And when they fulfill all three of those pictures together, they will know how to eliminate any threat that is given to us in the United States of America.
Sentinel radars, command vehicles, and the Humvee-mounted Avenger missile launchers are the components of this short-range air defense system, and the soldiers of the battalion worked hard this summer to master the components of their air defense.
Contact.
In the past, we found that really the Air Force Reserve, the Air National Guard, and the active component were really three separate components, all operating sort of on their own, independently. So consequently, when General Welsh became the Chief of Staff of the Air Force, we really started to look at ways to be able to increase that collaboration between the components.
For the full story of the 180th Fighter Wing's role in the Air Force's Total Force Integration Plan, visit the Ohio National Guard YouTube channel. For more detailed information on these and other Ohio National Guard stories, visit our website at ong.ohio.gov. See who else is in Ohio's National Guard community on our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter at OH National Guard, and have a look at the National Guard's Faces and Places on our Instagram page at Ohio National Guard. A group of pilots from the Serbian Armed Forces were invited to train with the 1st Battalion 137th Aviation Regiment during its annual training. The Serbian aviators worked hands-on with Ohio National Guard equipment and side-by-side with Ohio's Army aviators.
There was 5 Serbians that were actually part of our annual training period for 4 days, and their goal was to learn as much as they could about NVG operations. So we embedded them with Alpha Company, and they just did a tremendous job sharing information, them learning from us as much as we learn from them.
With its special emphasis on the night vision capabilities of Ohio's aviators, the Serbians enjoyed the visit, which was facilitated as part of Ohio State Partnership Program pairing with the Republic of Serbia. Ohio National Guard medical personnel converged on Clinton County this summer to provide an extensive set of medical services to Ohioans in need this August.
This is the 20th Guard Care event being hosted here in Clinton County. It's involved members of the Ohio Army Guard and also members of 2 different units from the Ohio Air Guard. And it's a free health clinic, including vision screenings, hearing screenings, dental exams. There's a tremendous opportunity for women's health exams. There are mammograms that are offered. There's a variety of immunizations that can be given, lab tests, blood tests that can be drawn and run. And we expect to serve hopefully between 700 to 800 patients this weekend.
Guard Care is an annual event in which Army and Air National Guard medical assets and the resources of various county and regional health department and emergency management agencies are brought to bear on an Ohio county in need. Medical care for citizens in need facilitated by the Ohio National Guard, the Buckeye Guard.